Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Telegram, now act. Open the app and tap the search icon, then type concise keywords or the exact group name. Once you see results, scan usernames and member counts to spot active groups. Make sure your profile shows a name or username so admins can recognize you. If the group is private, look for an invite link from a trusted source. Public groups appear directly in search. Start with precise terms to limit noise and surface the right options immediately. Once you find a promising group, open its preview to read the description and pinned messages so you understand the purpose. If the group is public, tap Join. If private, click the invite link and follow the request flow. Some require admin approval, so send a brief intro if prompted. Make sure you review rules and visible recent messages to confirm tone and activity levels. If admins ask questions, answer succinctly. This speeds approval and avoids misunderstandings about your intent. After joining, immediately set notifications to mentions or muted to control noise, and introduce yourself with a short message that follows the posted rules. Once done, observe conversations for a day or two to learn norms before posting frequently. If you need to share files, check pin or media sections for guidelines. If you encounter spam or harassment, report to admins, then use the leave and block options if unresolved. As a troubleshooting tip, if you don't see a private invite work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.